Hey guys, this is Chops here, and I'm back on the 369 HQ server. Yep, just killing some skeletons here, taking their loot, and BAM! Yeah, I changed out some of the wood with iron blocks just to make it pop more, because it was looking pretty lame from far away. So yeah, I haven't replaced these with stairs yet. Wow, I am talking fast today. And I've enlisted this guy to do some work for me. Yeah, he's told me why he hasn't given me a present. Because he's giving other people small presents, eh? Yeah. Oh. I still despise you. Yeah. We've just been working on this a little bit, just getting some stuff. I've enlisted him to do lots of digging. Yeah, this is basically what this is gonna be. It's just gonna be these round networks of things with a deep pit underneath, and it's gonna look like a gigantic cave. But not for now, because he's being an idiot, and he's digging it in a gigantic square. I told him to dig it in a cave form. Cave form. Yeah, you just stand there. You stand there. You stand right there. Angry face. He's supposed to dig it in a cave form. Just like a big cave, not just a box. And get rid of your furnaces. Get rid of your furnaces. Get rid of your furnaces. They're mine now. Yeah, so now that we're done messing with him, let's go check on... Okay, he's being weird. Let's just leave him to dig. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the base so far as we saw in the last episode. Just, yeah, just trees, nice castle-like thing, and this big ugly wooden box that Arvid put here. Yeah, not many people are playing much, so I hope that once we play, other people will start. So, yeah, now I'm going on a journey to find slime balls, which we need desperately because we need the slime balls because we need sticky pistons to make the door look epic. And that doesn't that look epic? That looks epic. A hole in the side of the mountain. I just broke my ankle. And I am still walking. I'm Superman. See if we can scare the poop out of him. I think let's just leave him alone right now. He doesn't need disturbing anymore. Yeah, so this is what's been built already. It's pretty barren town. People building. I don't get this house at all for some reason. Clay and bricks. Yeah, lots of creeper explosions here. Yeah, as you saw from the last episode, I got that place led to nowhere. It actually did lead to nowhere. There was nothing about it that was special. It was just nowhere. I hate you. You line. Yeah, I use iron blocks because I feel like it. Yeah, today, we can't get an iron farm in this server. Oh, wow, that's loud. Music and sounds. Yeah, So I finally made it to 500 views. I haven't noticed it yet. I didn't notice it last episode, but yes, I finally made it to 500 views. Woohoo! Big achievement! Yay! Yay! Big achievement! Woo! 500 views! So big of achievement! Yay! Meh. Still though, I'm pretty excited because 500 views. I remember when there was like 30 views, and I was like, I'm doing well. And now I have 500. The big 500. Woohoo! That is my sound of genuine happiness. Woohoo! It's genuine happiness right there. Ooh, parkour. I can parkour like a boss. Now let's go on our journey to look for okay. Doesn't he know I'm recording? You can't just leave me alone. Oh yeah. We haven't been to this in a while. Oh, he does know. He's just purposely annoying me. What a great guy. What a great guy. If you didn't notice, that was just genuine sarcasm right there. Can't find it anywhere else. Perfectly good sarcasm. Yeah, so this is the iron farm, which is completely annoying to get to. But yes, this is the what am I talking about? Iron farm. I just got everybody's hopes up. This is this is a zombie farm that you saw in the first episode. This is the third episode, not that long ago. But when the videos were put out, it is very long ago. Yeah, this is just to kill them and just to wait here, and that's where, because baby zombies don't go up that area, so you have to kill them right there. Yep, just showing around. Well, I take a lot of detours. We have to look. We have to look for slime balls. Where do I go? I'm lost. I'm lost. Where did ew. Nah, no. Get out. Did I seriously just forget where the exit was? Why do I have the worst sense of memory ever? Oh! Facepalm. Awkward silence. Yay. Wasn't really that awkward though. And I don't know. Or did I just go down here? I have no idea. Hopefully somebody joins except my dig slave over there at my base. Just need something. I just need someone else on this server. I'm sorry, I just was scratching the back of my head and I hit the... Into the distance we go. Da 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 da. Dun 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 dun. I'm going so fast. I'm going 100 blocks an hour. Did I seriously just say 100 blocks an hour. Sorry, I meant 100 blocks a second. But yes, I just teleported because I have teleported powers. I didn't actually teleport, I just... Oh, AC and Kipper. They're building towns again. I remember towns, they're like every 5 days there was a new one. Ah, get away from me, you spider. What happens if I swim in lava? I think I'll live. I'll live a happy life. Swimming in the hot burning iron of lava. Yeah, I'm an idiot. If you can't already tell. I'm a huge idiot. What's up there? I don't want to know. Boop. 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 You're dead. I haven't seen this biome before. Is this just the taiga and just nothing grows? No snows in the taiga because now no snow falls under 120 or 128. I don't know. Under 120, no snow falls or something like that. Don't correct me. See, there? No. There? No. Ooh, there was a house up there. You do that. You do that. The quest for the slime ball continues. Ooh, horsies. Ooh, flowers. Random mushroom. Oh, the random mushroom wasn't that random after all. I guess it's just random from at the very end of this dark wood forest. The freak of nature turned out to be just a normal occurrence. Update over. Hey guys, we're back. My trip was in vain, and whatever. It took a long time, but I didn't find anything. Just some like bushes and etc. Got some dark wood though, so now I have some dark wood to use. Oh no. Creepers are still turned off. I gotta get that fixed. Oh, why'd I do slash? Yeah, give me the pick. Unlock chest, please. Yeah, we have this, yeah, the pick is not doing so well. I'm just gonna use it until it's nearly dead, and then I will... Nah. That chest. Unlock it. I'm just talking to a screen right now. So. Crap is good. Very good. Seriously? Using a Golem reference right now? Okay, I guess this is precious. You keep your precious crap. And I'll keep my precious crap. You're not a miner. You're a digger. I like to mess with him. He's fun to mess with. Alright, I'm gonna go look for, yeah, I'm just gonna go do some stuff rather than dig a big hole, which is the last thing that would be exciting for an episode. But yeah, it's coming along. Big hole, big stuff. I couldn't find any other stuff, so we won't be able to make that door anytime soon. No slime balls or swamps for me. I wish there was an easier way to make slime balls. Like, you actually can make them, so you don't have to kill or find slimes. Like, maybe if you, like, smelted sugar or something. I don't know. Potatoes grow faster than carrots. Good to know. Or just different chunks, different loadedness. Hi, you MooTube. What's he been eating? I don't know. I'll have to find out. Let's look for some... Ooh, 22 gunpowder. Yes. Let's blow some stuff up. Yeah. No other use for gunpowder besides fireworks. Boop. 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 Seriously? Yeah, he's kind of crazy. Okay, I've stopped recording. Are you just being an idiot for no reason? Let's hope he doesn't know. Or let's just hope he leaves me alone. What's he even saying? What? Yeah, that looks good. Then I'm gonna have a big hole right there. Like cannon over there. I wish you have cannons. That's pretty cool. From like the Life in the Woods pack. I like those cannons and muskets. I'd rather have Flans mod, but a cannon would be nice. Just blow him out of the sky with a cannon. Be funny. You can tell why I need new people on this, people to play on the server. Let's play some TNT. Let's blow some stuff up. Oh yeah. Whatever, Peter, in my inventory. No idea. Let's blow some stuff up. Let's hope he doesn't notice. We gotta be stealthy about this though. Gotta be very stealthy. Duh. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I blow up stuff with my gunpowder. Gotta run away, run away. Okay, yeah, I think I've done enough stuff for today. Blow up zombie dude. Failed expedition on other stuff. Pretty productive episode. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.